All right, so here's my outfit or the fit. Like I said, I have had this outfit for a really long time. And when I stopped fasting, I did start eating um, like I didn't have no sense. So I'm a little bloated right now in the belly area. So these are fitting a little bit snug. Not really, but kind of, sort of. So, yeah. Um, Here's my outfit. I'm going to put some sneakers on, my Air Max. And I'm going to get ready to go. But this is my outfit. So I just wanted to show that to y'all. On my way to be healed. I am healing. I am healed. I am affirming that I am healed. I'm looking forward to this appointment, y'all. See you in a little bit.